Sensormatic Solutions is a global leader in retail automation, and how we help our retailers is by automating their loss prevention business, by automating their inventory intelligence and also traffic insights.
In early 2021, we had an internal dashboard created for one of our teams to check some metrics on how they're performing. And then when we tried to extend that dashboard to our other teams and other groups, we had issues with scalability and they were using different tools. So it wasn't easy to use that system across all the teams. But at the same time, we were transitioning into our agile practices and we didn't have a good way to measure each phase of the SDLC. So we were looking for a scalable solution that worked with multiple tools and that would also give us details on how our development teams were performing.
So when we met with Harness team, we had a confidence in SCI team that they can deliver. And Harness SCI tool aligns with our principles. And I'm very happy that SCI team has delivered and helped us to reach to the goal where we are today.
Harness Software Engineering Insights provided our developers with a goal, so they all knew what they were working towards, they all knew what metrics they had to achieve, and they all knew how they were being measured, and everybody was on a level playing field.
The biggest benefit with SCI, I see, is that there is a standardization across different engineering teams. When Scrum Masters work from one team to another team, they all speak the same language. They have same dashboards to measure, they have same metrics to compare. The goal here is not to compare between two teams. Goal here is that teams look at their own metrics and see from sprint to sprint how they're improvising, how process is helping. So SCI provides a lot of process insights, which we couldn't get it out before.
Our coding hygiene with Harness Software Engineering Insights definitely improved. It went from 35% to 95%. That's on our pull request reviews. Our agile hygiene also improved from the mid-30s to the mid-80s, and that benefited all the different groups of the IT department.
If you're planning to implement Harness SCI within your organization, here are a few tips I'll provide. To start with, have your organization goals defined. Also, use best practices on agile. Other point I would recommend is involve your leadership and engineers to make sure there is alignment between both sides.